Hi, welcome to a video showing how to set up a wall of images that have been hashtagged in Instagram with the Instagrate Pro plugin for WordPress. Okay, so got Instagrate installed. I'm going to first of all set up a new page that I want all these images to appear on. This is where I'm going to have the wall of images. So let's tagged with NBA from Instagram. Box and goes very slowly. Okay, so I'm adding Instagram, so I'm going to go connect that with my Instagram account. And for this demo, I want to be grabbing images from Instagram that anybody has posted, and anybody has posted with the tag NBA. So even though I'm connecting my own account, it's not just going to be my images. It's going to be, we can tell the plugin to go and grab images from all users tagged with a certain hashtag. So that's one of the benefits of the plugin. You can get your own images. You can get images from yourself and from users you follow. You can get images from any user if you know their username and they're public, and you can get images that have just been posted by anybody with a certain hashtag. So connected my account, and by default the media stream sets it to your recent images. Obviously not what we want to do, so I want all hashtag media, and of course it's images and videos here as well. And yes, we are quite slow. Well, no, it's waiting for me to put in a tag of NBA. Lowercase, uppercase, doesn't really matter. You don't need the hashtag. You don't need the hash in front of the hashtag, should I say. So we've got some NBA stuff here. Let's just have a look. The good thing about the hashtag filter is you can filter on multiple hashtags to say, I want NBA and I want basketball and I want this. But you can also exclude things. So let's just... Okay, right, so... and we comma separate hashtags. And let's just say, actually, we just want images. So, we've set up the stream. Now we want to tell it how to put those images on the site. I think for the moment we'll do manual posting just for this demonstration. Yeah, I've got to publish it, fair enough. Post type. We're not going to create posts. We're going to use pages, and we're not going to create new pages per image. That would be a bit crazy. So we're going to say we're going to post multiple media to the same page, and this is where we get to select the NBA wall page that I've just created. So the media location, we're going to get it. We're going to get the plugin to post at the top of the page. We could put it at the bottom, or we could be specific with a could use a shortcode placed in that page that's in the documentation. But we're going to put it at the top. I'm going to put the newest at the top. So the wall is just going to keep on growing every time we manually put in images. So okay, I don't think we need anything more for this one for the moment. So what we want is, we want every time an image gets posted to the page, we want the link of the image surrounding the image. And what we're going to do, because we want this image wall to be almost like a grid, we need to give the HTML that's going to get created a class so we can target that. I mean, actually what we could do is be really lazy and give it some inline styles. So I want to say display. Actually, hang on. Not good, slow computer and typing. So float left. So hopefully that's going to put them all next to each other. And we want to say margin. I really need to, if anyone's watching this and they do know of a really good not relatively overly expensive screencast software. I'm using QuickTime at the moment, but for some reason, Mountain Lion QuickTime absolutely kills my the computer speed. As soon as I try and do a screen recording, it's really, really slow. So any ideas on any alternative software would be good, or maybe a fix for that. Okay, so I'm going to go to the home page, and then in preparation for my manual posting of those photos, I'm going to go to the NBA wall page. By the way, if you've been using the demo recently, because this is the live demo site, you'll notice this chat with us button box down here. So if you do have any questions while you're viewing the demo site or playing around, so let's go back to the Instagrate account, and you'll see also some more images have loaded because NBA seems to be quite a popular hashtag. So I'm manually posting it at the moment, otherwise it could go a bit crazy. So let's click manual post. So it's posted 13 items, media items, because it's ignored the video there, and it's ignored that video because I'm saying I only want images, and it's ignored other photos which will be ones tagged with swag, which seems to be some crazy kids hashtag they use nowadays. Okay, so let's go look at this again now it's been posted. Right, okay, so what's happened here is, apart from killing my computer, apologies, yeah, so it's put everything one after the other because I've allowed the image size to be quite big, and obviously you want some sort of wall, you want a grid, you don't want them 600 pixels each. So we need to redo this, but this is a good example to show that actually once you've posted things with Instagrate, whatever you change back in your Instagrate account settings, it's going to only, that changes to the configuration is only going to be working from that point onwards. So whatever you posted to, if you create new posts or you've added content to a page, that's going to exist until you physically edit that page or delete the post. The changes to the account doesn't make retrospective changes to content that's already been posted. So first things first, in order to correct the mistake that we've done there, is we edit the page, and you can see it's basically put loads and loads and loads of HTML in there, so I'm going to just flat out delete that all because there's no point trying to edit that one by one, and update that. Let's get the view page in there. Oh, this is unworkably slow. It must be horrendous to watch. I apologise. So that's being edited. Now we've got a blank slate again. Let's go back and change this. Okay, so actually first of all, come on. Don't really want to swear on a screencast, but let's get into that point. So I'm going to change the width and height to make it sort of thumbnail size, which is 100 with 100. I don't really want everything. I want caption, no tags, because it's caption on its own is where everyone's put the tags. So that gets a bit crazily big in places. So I'm going to update the settings there, but wait for that to update because that's the HTML. But then I've got to basically say all this media that is green here that we've already posted, I want to repost that. So once again, as I said in the previous video, what you have control over is setting images to either pending or ignore. Because we've just updated that, and obviously throughout the world people are posting more images with NBA, we've got some more pendings coming in here, and we've got our existing ones that we've just posted to our page, but we've cleared them out, and the ones that we've ignored. So let's just go back and set them all to pending status. And of course, the ones that got ignored before will get ignored again, and the new ones will get posted. So we'll just manually post those now. So now 22 are posted. Go back and see our wall in action. And hopefully the layout is slightly more, yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So, and this theme, the 2014 theme, is actually quite 2013, 2014, whatever, the most recent default WordPress theme I'm using is quite thin, so we can only fit 3 on the grid there. Maybe if I'd change the margins a little bit, maybe 10 on the right, not 10 on the left, we'd fit 4 grids. But basically that's totally up to you. You've got control of the HTML. You can put CSS, you can put inline CSS, you can use another plugin to control your CSS, or if you're developing your own theme, you've got control of the CSS. So think of Instagram as the content creator, but how you want to display that content, you've got full control over. So now you've got your wall, and that will constantly update every time. So I'm going to do manual post again because there might be some more. Yeah, 4 since I've spoken. So go back, and before I refresh that, this dude from the Thunder, number 35, was at the top. Hopefully we'll have 4 more that's pushed him down when that's loaded. Yeah, source it through anybody's images from Instagram, and you can set, obviously at the moment for that demo I've just set it to manually. You can just set for constant, and whenever that page is hit, it will refresh. Obviously you need to kind of work out the best thing to do in terms of when you're using images from anybody. Like the NBA is a popular hashtag, so even just with a second or 2 seconds between posting, 4 more have arrived. So that's going to hit some heavy of images, using any images from any Instagram user who's public, posting images with a specific hashtag, in this case NBA. Thanks for watching and listening, and apologies again for the slowness.